Filling up my Pokedex. What Pokemon am I gonna catch next? The whole world seems so obsessed. I wanna be the very best.
We ho and a bottle of rum. Fucking glove. It's been a good couple of weeks since I've done me and Evie.
Excuse me.
Alright, fuck's sake, every time. Me and you, Evie. Fucking again. But yeah, no, I've now passed my mod 1. So all I've got left now is my mod 2. Ah, wait a minute. I'm pulling over here. Oh man, I want to catch some fucking water Pokemon. I'm right by the beach. There must be a squirrel around here, but my game won't load. Fuck you, Pokemon. So yeah. My mod 2 is Wednesday coming, the 20th. So yeah, Evie, we'll go right down here like we always go. We'll find somewhere to park up, have a fag, get some Pokemon.
Sounds good, but Bishop, one thing.
Yes, Evie.
You have to get me a Charizard.
A fucking Charizard?
Yes, please.
Well, I ain't gonna get a fucking Charizard. I'm like level 6.
You haven't had your milk.
Oh, I want a Charizard too, like. I'm not just saying you can't have a Charizard. I'm not saying that. I want a Charizard, but it ain't gonna happen. Alright, so let's see what we can fucking catch around here. So yeah, how does it work? How do you find like Pokemon that are already leveled up, like fucking evolved Pokemon? Do they just appear, or do you have to go certain places? Like, I don't get it, man. I don't get it. Right, so GPS signal not found. Suck your mum. I stopped off at a gym earlier, but I had no signal. What the fuck, man? Yo, if any of you can see that, there's a Pokestop in the sea over there. Actually, I could probably... No, that's definitely in the sea. And today, I was in work, and a fucking Raichu appears. A fucking Raichu! And I was like, you're having a laugh. And you know when it says, like, the Pokemon are nearby, and it's like 3 steps. So I've walked the whole site of this dealership, and we have a big dealership. I've walked the whole site 3 times trying to find a Raichu. And he was nowhere.
You're such a child, Bishop.
Fuck you, Evie. Evie, if you could play Pokemon, you'd be all over it.
I play a game called Pokemon.
Alright, well, so you're a lesbian, so you poke my mum.
No, we do take it in turns.
Right, okay. Anyway. So yeah, this Pokemon game's got a lot to answer for.
Run the pricks down.
I hate people who do that. They walk out like, I'm on a bike, I've got a lane to go around the corner, and you just walk into me like, are you some sort of cunt? It's just not needed. Just fucking wait 1 second for me to pass. Otherwise you'll end up getting a fucking elbow in the stomach, and then it's going to be my fault, ain't it? Dickheads.
Excuse me.
Yes, Evie.
Pull over for a second, please.
Alright.
Look for a Charizard.
Pokemon. Let's find some Pokemon. Right. Let's see if there's anything around here.
You know what we need?
Alright, I'll find you in a fucking Charizard one day, I promise. Ah, stuck on the loading screen again. Great. Fucking loading screen. Evie, I don't think we're going to be playing Pokemon.
What the fuck is this bullshit?
Oh. Let me get down the road a bit. Let me go to the fucking seafront and have a go. Alright. I'll find you, Pokemon, I promise.
Keep looking.
No, fuck you, Evie.
Excuse me.
Evie, fuck you.
Look for a Charizard. Bishop.
Yes, Evie.
Look for a Charizard. Pull over for a second, please.
If you ask me about Charizard one more time, I swear to God, I'm just going to fucking leave you on the side of the road, get a taxi home, do my mod 2, and set you on fire.
But Bishop,
Ooh,
one thing.
Oh, no hand stop. Oh. Look, I don't really think I'm going to be getting a Charizard anytime soon.
Excuse me. Keep looking. You
Evie?
have to get me a Charizard.
Evie.
Look for a Charizard.
Right, let's pull over here. Right, let's see if we can find anything. Or a fucking Pokestop or a fucking gym.
Look for a
I swear to
Charizard.
God, if this don't load. Right, here we go. Sorry, officer, for sitting on a motorbike whilst it was running. I'm trying to find a fucking Charizard. So. Oh my God. Wow. So, stuck on the loading screen. Let's see if we can just shut everything down and go back. Wow, someone's got really loud music. Okay, so yeah, again, I'm stuck on the loading screen. Alright, let's get my music back on.
Bishop.
Yes, Evie.
You have to get me a Charizard.
Oh my God.
Look for a
Oh my
Charizard.
God.
Pull over for a second,
I think
please.
you're going to give me a fucking brain hemorrhage.
But Bishop, one thing.
Yes.
You haven't had your milk.
Oh my fucking
What the fuck
God.
is
You know
this
what?
bullshit?
Turned off. There you go. Shut the fuck up. I turned you off.
Please don't do that.
Right, I'll tell you what, Evie. I'm going to go down the fucking seafront. I'll find you a fucking water Pokemon.
No.
Yeah? Yeah,
No.
would you like that, Evie? Would you like
No.
that? Yeah? Do you want a water Pokemon, Evie? Huh? Who's a good girl? Yes, you are.
Next time you
Yep.
try to wheelie, I will throw you off the back.
Oh, fuck me.
And I hope you die.
Evie, is this all because I can't find you a fucking Charizard?
Yes,
Man, me and you are going to fall out. Thanks, mate. I didn't need my eardrums, it's fine. Club. I used to work here. I used to work behind the bar, Talk. There. Many years ago. The bar. I got fired. Got fired from a fucking bar job. Why? Because I gave away too many drinks free to my mates. True story, bro.
pull over for a second, please.
Alright, let's find a fucking... Let's pull up here. Found some Pokemon.
Keep looking.
GPS signal not found.
What the fuck is this bullshit?
What's happening? You alright?
Yeah, same thingy, same Jethro.
Hey?
Jethro.
I ain't seen him, mate. Where is he?
They are pirates.
If you don't know who that was actually the rest, some of my crew. Right, Evie, I'm going to give this one more go, alright? One more go. Alright, let's pull up just down here.
You know what we need? Fuck this bullshit, let's go home.
So yeah, if you've gone out riding and you're in a t-shirt and gloves like I am today, you get some fucking stupid tan lines, like glove lines from your gloves. And it looks mental. Like I was in work today in a polo shirt, and it looks like I just look like fucking Michael Jackson. I look like I'm wearing a pair of white gloves.
Go Pokemon, Pokemon, go Pokemon, Pokemon, go Pokemon. I'm at a Target, see a Geodude. Grab a donut, see a Snorlax. Butterfree, I've had an Applebee's. Out of Starbucks, there's a Jigglypuff.